Oh, okay, look at you. Now you're dead. Hey, look, I can fly. Alright, so this is a little bit bad because we're going into Tilted Towers. But it's okay because there's a chest. Wait a second. Someone want to throw down? Oh, he doesn't want to throw down. He just put down a spike trap. So I gotta be careful of where he is. Be mindful of where he put that trap. Cause, oh god! I don't know why I fell. Okay, I'm gonna be a good boy to you and leave you alone. Because, who had the golden scar? What? Denied. Jesus Christ, shotgun. Chill. Alright, full drift. Gotta get the third kill. But then you can build. Problem for me. And Jesus Christ, a lot of people wanted to hear. Alright, fine, you have upstairs. I'll go down. I ain't doing anything. I'm going to be the sneaky, stealthy ninja. Don't touch me. Oh no, there's balloons everywhere. Can I search for balloons? No, okay. Alright, I thought they were gonna be a searchable thing, but... Oh my god, it's a giant birthday cake! Cake! You can eat the cake and get shield? What? Oh yes, delicious cake. It's the burger! Oh, but he has the drift symbol on his tongue. They should make that a spray, though. They should have. SMG. And there's someone down here. Oh shit, it's a full drift. He knows what he's doing. dear me, that is going into the video. Oh god, oh god, oh god, oh god. No! I can't myself! I'm an idiot! Oh! Really, dude? You really think I'm that stupid? I know a spike trap when I see it. You're not getting your trap elimination either. Holy shit! Bam! Okay, hand cap for you and you get wrecked. Because SMGs are good for like tearing down your shield completely. If your enemy has it. Especially if I have it. I'm a good shot with an SMG. Right? Don't think about the VO3 streams. Where I want to hurt myself. Playing game like that. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Dusty Divot. Our first and probably final stop. Blue AR. I'm good. I'm gold. An SMG already? Sweet. Shotgun shells. Maybe if I can find a shotgun. Speak of the devil! Alright, we got a good setup already. Just no shields yet. And that's what I really need. I really need shields. He says as he kills 3 people with no shield. Okay, so there's a half shield here. There's another SMG. So uncommon. Brush this up good. Insert them into my face. Not my ass this time. So a lot of people can make a lot of gay jokes about that. Alright, sweet, minis. I can actually get full shield here. There's LMG. There's another spike trap. Am I in the circle? Yes. So this is what I'm going to do, okay? Just to screw people. Boom. It's gonna work again, trust me. You know what? I'm not even gonna. I'm just gonna bait them. And you know how? This is actually stupid. Like, you hear someone doing the hype dance. Alright, you think they're AFK and then you're gonna kill them, right? Do it! I dare you! Okay, but no, I'm not gonna camp in there. I'm not gonna be that guy. Yes, he is. Who said that? 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 Yes, he is. Who said Nah, I'm not gonna be that guy because it never really worked. I mean, Dusty Divot is more of a conflictual place than a trap someone place. Hey, if I could trap someone in Dusty Divot again, I would just be a freaking professional. Or that guy is just not too bright. I'm done! It actually worked! Oh my god, hell no! I could have just swapped and wrecked him. Oh, this is why I need to reload. He was at 34. Donkey!